Are you saying me too? Me too? Are you putting your lion on? Are you putting the lion on your hand? What does the lion say? Row, row, row. Are you going to get me with the lion? Are you going to get me? Is the lion going to get my hand? No, no. Shall I get your tummy? What else does the lion do? Is the lion going to bite me? What else does the lion do? You were very fierce with that lion on your hand. Does the lion have two eyes? What is this for? Row, row, row. It has a nice mane. What is that? What's that right there? What's this? What is it? Oh, is it tickling you?
Yeah.
Is that the lion's tail? Tail. Claire, I'm going to stop the video, okay? Oh, is that your Elmo? Can you say Elmo?
No.
Elmo. Okay, bye-bye.